it's Delisa with WTI, and today I would love to share my secrets for having great tasting meals at home. And I use this smoked paprika. I love this condiment since it gives it such a sweet but spicy flavors to my food. This is a staple item here in my kitchen. I love adding it to my proteins when I'm cooking, to my tempeh, to my hummus. It just gives it the ideal touch that it needs with a little bit of salt and pepper, and you don't need more. This one I chose since it doesn't have any fillers. It doesn't have any artificial flavors, no coloring. It's all natural. Also, I chose this because it gives me 2 cups of smoked paprika for a very, very reasonable price. I love taking care of my family with healthy items, and I also like taking care of my budgets. I highly recommend this one. I'm loving it. As I mentioned, my food wouldn't be the same without this, and that is my point of view.